my channel. So in today's video, we're doing something fun.
Oh, say less.
As you can see, I'm in the Christmas spirit. Christmas is next week. We're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do these lights on your eyelids. Okay, well, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video as well. Turn on your post notifications. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's go, guys. So first we're going to start off by putting some concealer on top of our eyelids so it can be the base before we put a shadow on top. So next we're just going to blend out that concealer, and you want to make sure you blend it all the way out and don't leave too much creases. I find that using your finger is a little bit easier because you have control. Just continue to blend out your concealer on top of your eye. I'm more close. Yeah, I'm all in your face. I'm sorry. So we gotta make sure this is long, so I'm trying to see. So now that that's basically blended out. So next I'm just gonna go in with some setting powder. It's very messy, so be careful because I just opened it and it like fucking went all over the place. So I'm gonna just use my finger again, you guys. Sorry to the people that's against using your fingers. Oh my god, yeah, I'm making a mess. I'm just because I'm making a mess. Y'all should see my legs right now. All right, you guys, so the next step we're gonna go in with our shadows, and I don't know what color I'm gonna use yet. I think I'm gonna use this color. So I'm not gonna do too much talking on this part because I kind of gotta focus, but just watch. Blend that sucker out. Blend that sucker out, okay? First, I kind of just pat it. And you guys, this don't have to be that neat because this is just our base. So don't be like, what is she doing? What is she doing? Alright, you guys, so for the next step, I'm honestly praying that this does not fuck us up because we have to make a squiggly line. We have to do a cut crease, but we have to do a squiggly line. So, cross your fingers, cross your fingers. Have paint, you guys. I got this from Dollar Tree, and I got some paint brushes. I really don't know if I want to use the paint to do the wires or if I want to use this because this really be getting on my nerves sometimes. Honestly, I'm going to save the eyeliner for actually doing my wing, and I'm going to use this to create the wire. Ow. I cannot talk and try to do this at the same time. I guess my multitasking skills are not there yet, but I gotta focus. So just bear with me.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What the fuck? I was almost ready too. God Damn it!
This eye is done. It don't look all that, but once we add our lights on it, it's gonna be better. I promise. I promise, I promise. So I'm trying to use a little amount of paint of black because clearly, just don't do it. You don't want to use too much. What I realized is when you're doing this, you kind of want to lift your eyebrows up to give yourself more room for your eyelid. That one looking better. So you just want to do like a squiggly line, you guys. I actually like that one better, but don't worry. That's supposed to be like a little loop, y'all.
Bitch, where?
Alright, you guys, so our reds are done. Next, we're gonna do blue. We're gonna do that Nipsey blue. I'm gonna try to do it at like an angle. And now we're gonna go in with some white, and it's kind of just gonna give the lights more of an effect. So we're just gonna go in. Add like, you see, like some white. We're gonna pop on our lashes. Alright, you guys, so now that our lashes are on, thank God that process is done. I'm just gonna go under my eyes and add a little more concealer. Alright, you guys, so now we're just gonna go in with our Kylie Cosmetics. We're gonna go in with this red. This was actually her holiday collection. We're gonna add it to our lips. It's just gonna make the look come all together. We don't want to just do gloss with this look because, like, do you see it? Do you see it? So now we're just gonna add some red to our lips. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of this video. We completed our look. I really enjoy doing things like this. So if you enjoyed as well, make sure you drop down some recommendations below on anything you want me to try. Emphasis on try. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays.